Looking at this glossy, luscious yolk melting into the fragrant, stretchy cheese, would you believe it's incredibly easy to make? Don't rush to boil or fry eggs the usual way anymore. Today, with just eggs, tomatoes and a few vegetables, I'm going to show you two beautiful, vibrant variations that are absolutely perfect for mopping up with bread. Let's start with the first dish right away. Choose tomatoes that are ripe, richly red and beautifully glossy. Gently cut off the stem end, then use a spoon to scoop out all the juicy flesh inside skillfully. This careful step will leave us with bright red little cups, sturdy and ready to cradle all the best flavors of the dish. Now, gently place these vibrant little cups into the warm space of the air fryer. Let the heat take over the transformation from here. And then, a lovely little egg is carefully cracked in. The yolk rests shyly and neatly in the center, nestled in the embrace of that vivid red shell. To awaken the senses completely, the seasoning now begins to appear. Lightly sprinkle over a few grains of pure salt, add another scattering of finely chopped scallions, and finish with the warm, gentle kick of black pepper. Now, gently place these vibrant little cups into the warm space of the air fryer. Let the heat take over the transformation from here. While the warmth quietly melts the layer of cheese, allow yourself to relax for a moment. If this peaceful little kitchen corner is bringing you a sense of calm, gently tap the subscribe button so we can meet again in the food stories to come. And look, right at this moment, the beautiful final dish has appeared. With just one light glide of the knife, the luscious, jammy yolk spills out like a ribbon, blending with the stretchy cheese and the lightly charred roasted tomato skin. A truly melt-in-your-mouth experience. But the creativity does not stop there. Come with me to the second dish, a livelier symphony of sound and color. On the wooden cutting board, the sweet, crisp yellow bell pepper, the tomato flesh we set aside earlier, garlic and fresh green parsley are all finely chopped with care. That steady, lively tapping sound of the knife against the board. To me, it is always the gentlest music for soothing the mind. Each slow cut feels as though it is carving away the weariness of a long day. A little shimmering olive oil warms up happily in the pan, opening its arms to welcome the fragrant minced garlic. As that rich aroma begins to drift through the air, add in all of those vibrant vegetables. Stir gently and steadily, listening to the soft sizzling, watching them gradually soften, release their sweet juices, and come together into a rich, colorful base. When the vegetable sauce has softened and melded together, create a few little spaces in the center of the pan. Gently crack in the eggs, letting them settle obediently into those warm little nests. The golden yolks sit in the middle of the vivid sauce like tiny suns beginning to glow. Cover the top generously with a layer of finely grated cheese, then loosely place the lid on. The steam swirling inside will finish the rest of the work. These few minutes of waiting are the perfect time to listen to the sauce bubbling away happily. If you also love these rustic flavors and the slow, comforting rhythm of a little kitchen, don't forget to like the video and share this joy with me. Now the magic is ready. Let's lift the lid and take a look. A beautiful scene appears. The cheese is light, fluffy and tender, wrapping itself around the delicate eggs. Add a touch of fresh green parsley and the rich herbal aroma rises, awakening everything around it. Spoon a generous portion of those rich eggs onto a slice of soft bread, and you'll taste the perfect harmony of gentle tang, sweet crispness from the sauce, and the comforting warmth of the eggs. Every trace of fatigue seems to melt away. Happiness sometimes is simply a delicious meal, made with your own hands and all your patience. And you? What flavor do you plan to treat yourself to tomorrow? Tell me in the comments below. Goodbye, and I wish you many slow, peaceful moments in your little kitchen.